Hello students, I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to start question number 8 of exercise 3.1. The rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. There was Monday, on Monday 0 point rainfall was 0.0 mm, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. For whole week rainfall in millimeter is given. We have to find out the range in first part. Find the range of rainfall in above data. हमें क्या करना है, रेनफॉल की रेंज फाइंड आउट करनी है. टू फाइंड आउट रेंज, first we need to know the lowest and highest rainfall. Lowest rainfall is on Monday, that is on 0.0, again Thursday also 0.0. So lowest rainfall is 0.0 here and highest rainfall is, you can see from the data, 20.5. okay, so our range will be lowest minus highest, highest minus lowest, highest minus lowest 0.0. Our answer is again, because after subtracting 0 from any number we get the same number again. Okay, so answer is 20.5. next, second part. In second part we are to find out the mean rainfall for the week. हमें mean find out करना है पूरी week का. So to find out mean, we will sum up all the observation of all the data of 7 days. On Monday 0.0, on Tuesday 12.2 and 2.1 on the Wednesday, 0.0 again on Thursday and 20.5 on Friday, and on Saturday to 5.5 mm and on Sunday 1.0 mm. Divide by 7, because to find out the mean we need to find out the sum of all the data, all the observations, and divide by the number of observations. After adding all these numbers, how to add this? 0.0, always you are to put the numbers 12.2, 2.1, 0.0 again, 20.5 and 5.5, and decimal point of all the numbers at the same position. आपको जो सेकेंड नंबर, सारे नंबर्स लिखने हैं, डेसिमल पॉइंट के नीचे ही डेसिमल पॉइंट आना चाहिए. 5, 5, 10, 2, 5, 5, 10, 1, 11 and 13. okay, 1, 1 or 2, 3 to 5, 5, 10 and 11 again. Here will be decimal point, and again 1, 1, 2 and 2, 4. 41.3. After dividing 41.3, we are to divide now 41.3 by 7. okay, 7 6 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35 and 7 6 is 42. so 42 is more than 41. here 7 5 is 35. After subtracting we get 6. 11 minus 5 is 6, and point here is point. okay, and take 3 from here, and 7 9 ja 63. so answer will be 0 is remainder. Here after subtracting we get 0, and so it is completely divided by 7. 41.3 divided by 7 is equal to 5.9. so this is second part of question number 8.